Okay, so far we've created the first part of a dodgeball game that I'm going to be creating here. Notice how I've saved my project with a new name. I actually used the file and save as a copy feature in Scratch. This means I can always go back. If I break anything from the changes I do now, I can always go back to where I was, so I'd always advise that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new sprite. So we click down here to do that. We're going to add a ball that we're going to put on there, and we're going to make that kind of bounce across the screen and things. So if I go to the things section, somewhere in here, I'm hoping will be here we go, here's a baseball that I'm going to use. Select that and press OK, and it places that onto my stage. Now notice that there seems to be some default code that I'm going to get rid of. But now notice that we have two sprites down here, and obviously when I'm on the baseball I no longer see the code for the cat, and vice versa. When I'm highlighted the basketball, I no longer see the code for the cat there. Okay, we're going to start with a forever loop again, very similar to what we were doing earlier. So whatever happens now, we're going to continue forever, and I'm going to simply make the ball move around on the screen. We're going to add a little block in here that says that in the sensing it's going to detect if the ball is on the edge. And where's that gone to in the new version of Scratch? Maybe it's in the motion. It's in the motion area, sorry. If on the edge, we're going to bounce. So let's see that going. And basically that does as we'd expect. We've still got our cat kind of moving in the background, moving a little bit slower now because the program's doing a bit more. But the ball just simply does what we told it to do, which was to forever move a set distance, and if it touches the edge, bounce. Okay, for our game we need to dodge that ball, but at the moment it would be a very simple game. So what I'm going to do is, before we enter that loop, I'm going to start the ball in the middle, and let's say that we make the ball point in a direction of something like 45 degrees, and let's see what that does to our game. Okay, so now the ball's kind of bouncing all around the screen in kind of different angles. Let's make something a little bit more different now. Let's try 30 degrees. Okay, and it's going to bounce kind of lots of different angles all around the screen, and the idea would be that we can try and move the cat out of the way. Okay, pretty much there at the moment, apart from I think we probably don't need our weight block anymore, and that allows us to move the cat a little bit quicker now. And there we go, the second stage of our game's finished.